Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Essence T Era here. So this hairstyle was in the middle part, but I'm kind of getting tired of the middle part, and I think I want to get it switched over to a side. So the first thing I'm going to do is make my part visible on the side, just because it's not, because it was naturally it came as a middle part. So I'm just going to use this to kind of like make it look like it's side part, and I'm just using my foundation powder color this. So this, I'm starting to see like a definite part now, and before there wasn't. I can see that. And I really like for my part to go back as far as possible, just because it looks a little bit more realistic. So that's pretty much it for that. Now I'm just gonna flat iron it so that it like naturally lays down this way. Okay, so now we kind of pretty much have a short side part, and now I'm just gonna cut it a little bit because I kind of want it to be like a bob. So I'm gonna start right here and see if that's short enough. No, I can't really just see like that, so I'm just trying to freehand it. Good. Okay, and then I want the front to pretty much be the same length, so I'm just gonna go in about right here. It ain't perfect, but it's worth the picture still. I'm gonna do a little bit of baby hairs, like I think I'm gonna do one right here in the front. It's looking so light that it's like I'm not even looking. Okay. I'm just gonna take some mousse. Yeah, that's pretty much how you get a sleek bob. This hair was super long. It was like 18 inches, and I completely got rid of all of that. Alrighty guys, so that is pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up. Let me know how you feel about blunt on me down below. And that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.